This is Executive Sales Growth Dashboard, designed to provide a complete view of sales performance, customer acquisition, and marketing effectiveness. On the left, we get a quick summary of the key business indicators, including average deals value, acquisition cost, total deals, average sales, year over year growth, new customers, win rate percent, and marketing cost. This section helps leadership instantly understand the current business position, the industry wise opportunities, and closed deals visual shows which sectors are generating the most potential and where conversions are strongest, helping us focus on high value market. The revenue versus marketing cost trend allow us to evaluate how efficiently our marketing efforts are contributing to business growth. In customer by channel, we identify which marketing channel are bringing the most valuable customers. The deals by salesperson visual highlights team performance and help recognize consistent contributors while identifying areas improvement. With interactive slicers, filters for date, salesperson and industry, this dashboard enables deeper analysis and faster strategic decision. This solution empowers leadership to drive sustainable and data driven sales growth.